Hi, Anu. I hope I've said that right. I'm Craig. This is my website, divvylayouts.com. And what I'd like you to do is to take over uploading these layouts that are released by Elegant Themes. There'll also be some from third-party developers and from the Elegant Themes marketplace. So basically, I would send you a link to the layout, and then you would add the layout as a product here. So we're using WooCommerce, and you would add each listing as they come. So I think Elegant Themes have 3, maybe 4 a week. So I mean, it's bits and pieces of work, but I guess it will all add up. So yeah, it normally takes me 10 minutes or so to add a layout. So yeah, I might send you a link on Monday, on Wednesday, Friday, whenever they're released, and ideally you'd get them done as soon as possible, straight away. So this is the latest layout from Elegant Themes that I don't have added. They might have see if they've added another. Okay, so there's one here as well, which they've just released, and here's that one. So there's 2 for you to add. So basically, that's not particularly nice layout, but well, we're at it anyway. Okay, so I will use this one as an example. I'll show you what I do to add it, and then I'll send you the login and the link to use for you to add this one, and we can go from there. So I will send you a link. It will be my affiliate link, so hero section. So basically you just want to rewrite the title into a few words, because I took so long that didn't fill out there. So this title, again, you're rewriting this, but so you put it in your own words, but you're making it longer than this. So how to cover Divi hero section on scroll with sticky options. We'll take that off and we'll put that in the description below. So down here we have, this is basically where I want you to be writing a few sentences to describe what the layout is. Now, because I've been lazy, this one's only got 1 sentence, which isn't really enough, because this is all duplicate apart from the title here. So we really need a paragraph in here to describe. So you can start it off the same. This Elegant Themes tutorial and 3D layout will show you how to create and then you describe what it is. So you're going to need to, basically, you can read this. There's normally a explanation, and then just look at the preview and just write what you see. So a hero section with image and text. As the user scrolls down, the hero section adds slant and a black text section covers the original hero section. Something like that, you know, just whatever it is you see. So here, Elegant Theme Builder will show you how to create a hero section that animates behind the section below as the user scrolls down the page. The hero section has a text column and an image column that animates into a slant as the page scrolls. Following section has a black background with text content and covers the original hero section as the user scrolls. So I mean, to be honest, I think people are generally looking at the image and they probably don't read much of this page, but this is for SEO, so you need to have at least a few lines of unique text. So don't copy off here, don't copy this, read it and then just put it in your own words. So this, as you can see here, I've got what's it called, Grammarly. So this is a free plugin. There is a premium, but the free one's really good. So here it's picked up I've spelt that wrong, and it will show you any spelling mistakes and grammatical errors. It's really good. It's well worth installing if you don't already have it. So that's the description. Say aim for 3 or 4 lines here. This you can just leave for everyone. Well, if it's an elegant theme. So obviously if it's a third-party developer, you need to put the name in here. So we'll put that bold, makes it easier. And then here we put the title. So just copy this and paste it into here. Paste as plain text. So this always goes onto the next line. So remember to do that. Get that back onto the right line. Make sure this is in italics. So now you've got this is unique and this is unique. Affiliate disclosure, so leave this the same on every page as well. So this is the main bit here. Anything interesting, write what you want. If you think it would be good on a XYZ website, or if you happen to know of a live example, whatever, you can add it. Right, so then down to the SEO. So we want to take these off on all of them. And this is Yoast, so this is saying it's too short. So hidden Divi hero section layout. On a lot of them, I'll put in brackets free download, and that free layout download. So we want to get the green light. If it's about, so if we take a few off, down there. That's probably still okay, but yeah, aim to get these green marks. For the description, I'll copy this, Divi layout template, and then you have to edit bits that make sense. Divi hero section layout template on the Elegant Themes blog post, how to go blah blah. So if this is too long, you can take out Elegant Themes, you can take out blog. Again, it's just for SEO, so hero section layout is like the important thing. Hero section layout. Okay, so this one, it's always going to be external affiliate product, third one down. This is where you add the link that I gave you to get to the page. So here you want to do view layout, and the price, most of the time it's 0. So you always need to have these 3 filled in. That's all you need to do down there. Coming up to this side, the category. So again, most of them are free layouts. Header, this doesn't really fall into that. To be honest, these aren't categorized that well, but it's a bit hard to change them now. But we've got theme builder templates. That's what I'd use for header and footer sections, and I tend to use theme builder. There's one for Divi presets. Blog posts, I'd put in the blog magazine. And then tags, so I'd probably just put hero section on this one. And is this sticky? I think, is this using, yeah, so this one will have sticky options as well. Okay, product image. So as you can see on here, some of them are animated, some of them aren't. If it's a cool animation, if it's something that would be, I think people would look at and say, oh yeah, that's pretty cool, like that, you can animate it. Sometimes it's easier just to leave them not animated, but it's good to have some of them animated. So for example, this one, either or. So let's do the animation. So let's say if we weren't doing the animation, so first of all, you just save the image. We'll do this one after. Let's show you how to do the animation. But yeah, so for a non-animated one, so we're in Photoshop here. So grab whatever image they're using and just cut it down to whatever makes sense. That is a pretty good aspect ratio for the sites. We don't want them super long, and then we don't want them too stumpy either. So images, I make them all 450 pixels. So 450. So I resize them. That one's not pretty much the same. Then file, export, save for web. I still use the legacy, it just seems easier. Put it on medium. So you can see here it's only 21K, that's fine. Obviously animations can go up to a few hundred, but the smaller the better, obviously. So we're going to save that as Divi. So put something similar to what you've put in the title. So it doesn't have to be exactly the same. Think maybe getting a couple of extra keywords in. Just Divi hero section layout is fine, whatever. Okay, so then we're going to go down and select files, and always put alt text. The rest of it's same. So you have alt text title, don't worry about caption description, and set product image. So this one would be done. So then all you need to do is submit for review. And then that will come to me. I can just check it over and push it out live on the site if everything's okay. So that's that. So things like the header and footer, so these come up a lot. You can see the tags, theme builder footer, theme builder header. You can sort of kind of copy what I've done. So look for the other header and footer and see what tags they've got. Obviously, put any of your own tags if they make sense. And the other one is for the layout packs. So again, you can click on one that's previously been done and copy up to here. And you'll need to update this, and you can add a bit more description here as well. So these are, so it's a chess club, it could be, so then add sports club, or so if it's a dentist, you could create your own dentist or medical website or orthodontists. So just different uses in a similar niche. And then change the number of page templates if there is a different number. This I just copy from the post, paste as plain text, add the bullet points, take out live demos, which it says on the end. And then this is all the same. So you really want to be adding, say after this, just try and add 3 or 4 lines to describe the website, the design, the layout. And yeah, this is taken from the website again, from the Elegant Themes website, and resized at 450. Okay, so that is it. So I'll just show you how I do the animated GIFs. So say for this one, if we're going to do it as an animated GIF, obviously this takes a little bit longer. I would come in, go image size and resize it to 450 straight away. So that makes it a little bit easier to work with. And then you need to go to Window, Timeline. And so here, basically, we just want to be chopping off as much as we can to make it smaller file size, but still showing off the effect. So I'll play. Up to about there is fine. And then this shows a reverse. So I usually, any of the reverse, I just take off. So click to select, delete, yes, and then export that. So again, file save for web. And then here you're going to have to change to GIF. So that's massive. 1.1 megabyte is way too big. So you can try. That gets it down half. So basically, yeah, we only want a few hundred for this. So yeah, you can play around with the settings to get something that still looks half decent, but I don't know why that one's so big, but yeah, so that's 582. Obviously, that's a bit big, but yeah, we're not adding animations to everyone. And for this particular example, I probably wouldn't bother. But it's nice to have, say, on a page, have at least 3 or 4 animated ones, and then they sort of stand out, gets people to sort of stop and look. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know, and I'll send you a link and a login for this site, and you can do this one. I don't know, is that, oh yeah, so it's blurring behind. So yeah, for this one, I'll probably just take these 2 here screenshots, put those up rather than the video, so it doesn't really add much to it. Okay, all right. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.